Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Gia and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this Valentine's Day look. So I actually did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just starting off with some argan oil, applying this all over my face to make sure my face is super moisturized, and it kind of acts as a primer also. So this is the Born This Way Too Faced foundation in the shade Ivory, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my face and blending it out with the Morphe sponge. So I know I haven't been posting in like a few months, and I don't have like a really good reason for that, but I do want to be consistent now because I am starting a makeup school in a month, and I actually am gonna learn how to do eyelash extensions in like a week. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of things beauty related, and I'm actually gonna be basically working in the beauty industry. So I think this YouTube channel can really help teach people beauty tricks, and I think this is just super fun. So I do want to continue doing this and hopefully stay really consistent with this because I really like making YouTube videos. So that's really it. That's my little chat for you guys. So let's get back to the video. So I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair, and I'm just applying this to the highlighted areas of my face just to make sure everything looks concealed and highlighted. So I'm taking a sponge, blending it out. So I'm taking some e.l.f. powder and just packing this all over the face to make sure everything is mattified and set, so there's no creasing. This is the Becca liquid highlighter in the shade Opal, and I'm just applying this to a few highlighted areas of my face, and I'm just going to make sure to blend that out, and it gives a super healthy, glowy look. So this is the Huda Beauty Nude Palette, and to start off, I'm taking the orange shade on top, and I'm packing this onto my eyelid, and I'm also going to be applying this on the bottom lower lash line, just for some color. And on a blending brush, I'm taking a few shades of the pink in that palette and just applying this to my crease.
I can't explain what you do to me, and the way you smile, it drives me wild. I can't explain.
My finger, I'm just taking the first shade that I used, the orange one, and just packing that on my eyelid. And I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeliner and just creating a wing. So throughout this whole video, I actually had super teary eyes from allergies, which can be very annoying while you're doing your makeup. So it might look a little bit messy throughout this video, but at the end I kind of fixed it up. So if you ever have problems with your eyeliner getting it even, this is a really nice tip to use. So you take translucent powder on a flat surface and just press it against the eyeliner, and you leave it there for a few minutes, take it away, and your eyeliner will be perfect. So the lashes that I'm using are Ardell lashes, and I actually also use Ardell lash glue. So it is white, so it does take a few minutes to dry. Even if your eyeliner and everything looks good, I would always apply another layer of eyeliner on top of the lash glue just to make it look more blended. So I am packing away my powder. A few shades of pinks and purples, and lighting this under my eye.
The way you walk, the way you talk.
The part that I'm going to be using is actually just a piece of paper that I cut out into the shape of a heart, and I took a few of these in all different sizes, and I'm just going to be pressing it against my face and taking a brush with all the mixtures of all the eyeshadows in that palette and putting it along the edge of the paper. So once you take it off, it looks like that. It's just a heart. So do that wherever you want, and it will just create a really cool look.
A burning fire blazing over the horizon as we stare. I just admire every single chance we get with
So if you want to recreate this look or do any kind of makeup look that you want to show me, I'll have my Instagram link down below so you can follow me and DM me or tag me in any of your posts, and I do want to see them, so don't forget to do that. So this is the Anastasia lip palette, and I'm taking the hot pink shade on a little spatula and just applying this along my lips. Now, if I was going to be doing this on a client, I definitely would use a brush just to be more gentle.
But I don't dream anymore.
Gloss is super shiny, glittery, and glossy, so I actually don't know the brand of it, but any lip gloss would work. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows with a sultry Anastasia palette in the shade Dystopian. This is the Steel Liquid Glitter in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm just applying this to a few of the hearts.
You walk, the way you talk, I can't explain.
Because I did have teary eyes throughout this whole entire video, I actually had to take a brush and sweep up my eyeliner just to make it look cleaner, and it actually really helped. So that's actually the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below.
I can't explain what's on my mind, but I will go and waste all of my time.